Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to the YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In previous video, we talked about the ways with which you can develop neck control in your baby. So in today's video, we are going to go step further and understand how to encourage rolling movement or else turning ability of your child. So without wasting any due time, let's get started. After the baby develops neck control, the second target or else the goal of a parent or else a therapist is to develop the rolling movement in your baby. Rolling is one of the important ability that one should have that incorporates a lot of ability to move in day-to-day life. Rolling not only enables to reach out to certain place but also is a crucial part in one of the major activity of our life, and that is sit to stand. So, what are the ways with which you can roll or else encourage or else teach your baby to roll? Let's have a look. So the first thing that you need to do is bend the legs of the baby and then rotate the baby side to side. So when you are rotating the leg to one side, the head should be rotated on opposite direction. Do this for 5 to 10 repetitions. This particular activity is meant to bring mobility in the spine. After you do this for 5 to 10 repetitions, the next thing that you need to do is lift both the legs upwards. Make sure to give some support on the chest region in order to prevent the movement of the upper chest. And then turn the baby side to side. If the baby is too spastic and is making the body too tight, make sure to relax the muscles by giving some gentle pressure on the chest region. And then just passively moving the limbs, which will enable the child to relax. Once the child is relaxed, then start the maneuver. After this, again, encourage the baby to turn to one direction by keeping an attractive toy or else an object. Once a baby sees an object, you have to gradually push the baby on the side and then encourage the baby to hold the object. Make sure to give some adequate support, but only give as much required. 60% of the effort should come from the baby while doing this activity. And also ensure that you do this maneuver for both the sides. One more way that can be helpful in encouraging the side movement is lifting one leg upward and keeping in front. And then when a baby is lying down in this position, a mild support and push from the back, and then ask the baby to hold the toy. It's okay if baby goes completely on tummy. Then encourage the baby to push the hips and then take out the hand. This is a next exercise where the baby is sitting on his knees and then again keeping a toy forward, giving some pressure on the neck region, encourage the baby to try to reach out to the object. Again, once the baby reaches out, again bring back the baby to the side and bring back the legs to the normal. Another way for the baby to encourage rolling movement is just making the baby lie down straight on a bolster or a round object. You can also use a physio ball or else any regular ball that's there in your home. Keep one hand forward and keeping an object on the side, moving the bolster on one side, encourage the baby to turn and then bring back the baby. Here you need to ensure that the movement is happening at the bolster or else the ball. So this swinging movement is happening at the ball, orals and bolster level. So friends, these were some of the ways with which you can encourage rolling or else turning movements in your baby. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember one thing, whenever we are in neurological rehabilitation or else when you are treating a baby or else a person who is having a neurological deficit, make sure to encourage the movement by patient. Do not help the patient unnecessarily, only give assistance whenever required. I hope you found this information helpful. Make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. On that note, I'll end this video here and see you in another video. Thank you.